My name's Lucas. I've been growing peppers for the past 14 years, and today I'm going to show you how to grow cayenne peppers. It starts with potting mix. Fluffy, friable, well draining. We're not messing around with this stuff. It contains peat moss, perlite, and some slow-release fertilizer to nourish your seedlings. After filling up some cell packs, you can bottom water to pre-moisten your growing medium. A half inch of lukewarm tap water poured into a tray is all you need. Then of course, you need cayenne seeds. I ordered mine online from Johnny's, a versatile variety called Red Flame. Toss 2 to 3 seeds in the center of each cell and cover them with a smidge of moist potting mix. Spritz with a spray bottle and sink a temperature probe into one of the cells. This helps monitor soil temperature, which will be dialed in using a seedling heat mat. 85 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect, and a humidity dome will create a tropical atmosphere. If you did this all right, your seeds will be popping in just 10 to 14 days. At this stage indoors, light is critical. I've been using LED grow lights because window light just doesn't cut it this early in Canada. The sheer selection available on Amazon is extensive. I've put links to some of my top choices in the description below. Use a timer to automate things, giving your seedlings 14 to 16 hours of light a day with a dark rest period. A little pepper jungle in my parents' basement. Should I put some mini dinosaurs down there this season, just to be weird? Let me know in the comments. How often to water? I lift the trays and let them tell me. Any heft to them, and irrigation is a no-go. Overwatering seedlings is literally the biggest mistake most gardeners make. Keep it moist, keep it simple. If you've gotten this far, you likely have a goal for your cayenne garden, a vision. But you gotta understand, an idea is nothing without execution. Plant in soil that's rich in compost and organic matter. They also grow super well in containers, which can be moved around to take advantage of sunny spots throughout the growing season. For fertilizer, which is critical for huge crops, I usually go with my tried and true, a water-soluble bloom booster that's high in phosphorus and potassium. This ensures plants put on a ton of blooms and peppers every single time. Keep your cayennes well watered throughout the season. A drip irrigation system is ideal, but the plants are pretty hardy. So basically, that's how I grow cayenne peppers, a fairly high-level overview. But if you want to get into more depth on how I do it and what I've been doing these past few years, check out my all-in-one guide, which I've included in the link below down in the description. This is something I've put together for anyone who's looking to transform their garden and really see the results. I've made a lot of mistakes over the years, and if I could go back and have one guide, one source of truth that I could go to figure out exactly what to do from seed to harvest, that is the guide I would use. I'm also including a bonus garden spreadsheet planner that you can use to track your results from the beginning to the end of the growing season. This will allow you to organize your garden, track your results, and give you something to compare back to in future seasons. I think you'll find it very valuable. But hey, cayenne peppers are super fun to grow. They're super hardy. They're just really spicy, not too spicy that you can't eat them, but spicy enough that they'll add a nice kick to any dishes you're making. So I really encourage you to try growing some this season. If you do have any questions, feel free to drop those below down in the comments. I always check my comments and I really like to hear what you have to say, so make sure you give me a shout. I'm Lucas, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope your garden grows amazing this year, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna go do something else. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Probably probably get a glass of water because I'm parched. All right, see you later.